never make promises, 'cause I don't keep. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep.
Hello guys, is my voice is audible? Let me know in the chat. If the background voice is dominating my voice, please let me know. I will decrease the background. I will decrease the background sound. Please let me know. Come on, Mods, tell the answer whether my voice is dominating my background noise or not. If it is dominating, then it's okay. If background voice is dominating my voice, then I need to decrease the background music. Please let me know. Ha means what? Is my voice is audible than the background music? I think there is so much delay in the live. I think there is 1 minute delay, but we should tolerate about that because the streaming software is need to publish the YouTube broadcast, so that is a time-taking process. So that we are getting a delay between me and you. Okay. I don't know how much watching I am getting. 2 viewers. Okay. Decrease background voice. Okay, I am going to decrease it. Okay. Wait a minute, I am going to stop the songs and I am going to start the content. 2 viewers are enough to start my content. Okay, let me start the content. Okay, hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about try hack me learn Linux walkthrough. I mean how to learn the Linux. So there is a room that is called Learn Linux in TryHackMe. TryHackMe. So you click on this link. So here you go to activities, and here you can see many rooms like Learn Linux, Nmap, OpenVPN, Blue, Vulnerversity, introductory researching, Metasploit, basic pen testing, advent of cyber, Google docking. There are so like that. There are totally around 242 public rooms. You can join without any cost. It is free for all. It is they are public rooms. So I am starting with Learn Linux. In this you can learn about the Linux commands. See here, I already started my machine. If you are new here, then you need to click on deploy machine button. Then it will deploy your machine, and the virtual machine will run in the cloud. So let me know whether the content is clear or not. Yes, there is some disturbance of mic because my mic is not that much capable of capturing my voice. So it's not a decent mic. So it's some cheap mic, underrated mic. So that is why there is some disturbance when I am trying to, when I am speaking through the mic. Sorry for that. If I go, I don't have money to buy that mic. So when I will get money, then I will try to buy that mic. Okay. So let's get started. So in this, whenever you want to learn Linux, so then you can come here and you can click this deploy button. Then this active machine information will shown in this box. So here this is your machine IP address, and this is your machine validity time. So up to that you can access your machine. If you want to extend your validity of your virtual machine, you can click here. See here, successfully updated your machine's expiry time. So it will add your validity time to 1 hour. So like that you can extend your machine's validity time. So if you are new to learn about the Linux commands, then you need to go through these instructions, and then you click on next and click on next and click on next. These all are basic information, how to connect with the web shells using the SSH protocol. So that is the ways, that is the possibilities or methods they are showing here. So if you don't know how to connect with the SSH or any web shells, then you need to go through these commands. Then you can increase your voice. Okay, wait a minute, Vishnu Sai, I will boost my microphone. Wait a minute. Where is control panel? Where is sound? Okay, recordings, microphone, levels. Okay, I think now it is audible. I increased my microphone volume to 100. I think it is now audible. Vishnu Sai, please let me know if you are able to hear my voice clearly or not. Let me know in the chat, Vishnu Sai. Okay, if you don't know how to, wait a minute. Okay, if you don't know how to if you don't know how to connect with our web shells using SSH protocol, then you need to you need to read this method, read this description carefully, and connect to your SSH web server, so that the connection between your machine and your terminal and your to the user will be established successfully, so that you can do practice on your virtual machine which is running on the cloud. Okay, so if you are new to here, you need to read the description that they mentioned here. See here, they give the instructions about how to connect with SSH. If you are in Linux, then you can directly use SSH. With increase of your mic, disturbance also increasing. Yes, obviously, if I increase my mic volume, the disturbance volume also will be increased. So anyway, I will try to change the mic within few days. Don't worry about that. See here, if you want to, if you are a Linux user, then you can directly hit the command as SSH. You can directly connect with your web shell using SSH binary that is come with defaultly with Linux installation. So you need not install any software if you are a Linux user. But whereas I am not a Linux user, suppose let us assume I am not a Linux user, then you need to download one software called Putty. So Putty is nothing but a interface between our user and web server, web shell. It connects web shell to the user, so like an operating system. So that is the purpose of Putty. In most case you need to use SSH binary in Linux. So I don't know why my SSH binary is not working in my Linux, so I am trying to use Putty that they mentioned here. So here you can see the download link here. If you want to download Putty, then you can click there. I am giving the link in the description also. Okay, that is how you need to click on the you need to download to Putty. So here I am going to wait a minute. I am going to connect using Putty. See here, this is the IP address that they gave. Copy, paste it here. The port number must be 22. It is default because SSH will works on the port number 22. Okay, click on open. It will take some time to connect with that. Okay, network error, connection timed out. I think there is a problem while starting our virtual machine. It will take some time. Please wait. So until then we are going to see the process. After hitting that IP address in our pasting our IP address at here. Okay, host name. Okay, sorry, I typed my host name as wrongly. Shiba1 @ our IP address. Our IP address. Okay, click on open. See here also I did a mistake. I didn't provided Shiba1. Shiba1 is an username, that is default username that you can find it here. Okay, let me say. See here, this is the username. Still there is a fatal error. I think the machine is not up. Okay, still we can do by our own. Okay, let me use it. Okay, see here, manual pages and flags. Most of the commands you will learn Linux about have a lot of options, blah blah blah. They give some description. If you are new to learn Linux, then you need to read this description carefully. Here manage the command, which is which is like a help option. Okay, if there is anything if there is a problem with anything, then please mention them in the chat. Okay, most of the commands, so you go through this description. Okay, and here you will prompted some questions like this, which I had already submitted. How would you output the hello without a new line? So let me wait whether this our machine has started or not. Shiba1 @ IP address. Okay, click on open. I don't know why this shit is happening while I am doing live. Why it's showing fatal error? I am unable to sort out that error. So if you are new to here, then you can do this. I mean, you need to read the description of this. Man is nothing but a command which gives the description about that command. So let us assume that we don't know about what ls command will do. If you type man space ls, then that will output the description about that ls command. So that is the purpose of using man command there. So okay, see here, ls is a command that list in information about every every file or directory in the directory. Just running the ls command outputs the name of every file in the directory. Okay, so this requires our shell, which is not working right now. I don't know why it is not working. Let me open our Linux. By luck, if it works, then we can successfully, then I can show you all the commands. Why the putty is not responding now? Just 5 minutes, just before starting the live, I checked with putty, it's opening, but in live it's not opening. Are you there? Please let me know. Just seeing 2 viewers. Okay, okay, let me use our terminal to connect it via SSH Shiba 1 and at the rate 10.168.169. Let me see whether this works or not. I think there is a problem with that virtual machine. So okay, no worries. I am terminating the connection. Why it's not terminating? Okay. So I need to share with you one command. So if you type history, then you can see what commands you use before the when you install your Linux machine. See here, I typed totally 1223 commands since my Linux VMware installed, virtual machine installed. So if you want to execute any of the commands, then you can directly mention that command. Let me know. Okay, let me show you in an example. Let me show this 1204 command to execute. If you want to execute a particular command, then you need to type an exclamation mark followed with your command number. This is the serial number. So if you type like this, then it will automatically execute that particular command which is assigned to the number. So like that, if you want to execute the command instead of typing the whole command, then you can type the history command and then check your command whether it is executed before or not. So by typing by mentioning the number with exclamation mark correspondent to the command, then you can execute that command. So okay, let me execute 1208. Clear the shit on our terminal. Okay, so it clears our terminal. Okay, let me see about ls. Okay, so ls, okay, as other commands, ls has many flags. ls minus a show all files or directories includes one with start with. Okay, so what flag outputs all entries? So that was the question that is asked by our tryhackme. So enter man ls. Here you can see the list of commands. So okay, let me see what is what that answer will be. Okay, what flag outputs all entries? Okay, almost all, do not list implied or. Okay, let me try with minus small a whether it works or not. Minus small a. Yes, our answer is correct. So many people can't remember what the flag, what refers to the particular flag. So there are so many number of commands in Linux, so you need to take the help of man command in order to read the description of your desired command, like I did now. Okay, what flag outputs things in a long list form? Okay, let me search for it. What flag output things in a long list form? Okay, scroll down till you find the related answer. Okay, even I also don't know the whole commands. I am trying to learn parallelly, so it will be better while I am trying to learn. If I did a live stream, then so many people know how to solve the problems. So that is the basic idea of doing live every Saturday, I mean every weekend. Okay, where is the command? Minus uvw. Up to now we came with w. Okay, let me go to L, A B C D F G H I J K L. Okay, yes, see here, use a long listing format. So minus L is the flag, minus L. Okay, yes, our answer is correct. Okay, let me go to the another one. Cat short for concatenate, do exactly that. It outputs the content of the files to the console. So you need to read this whole content. So let me read. So cat a dot txt would output hello. Okay, cat supports the help flag, meaning that you can see the useful flags without going to the man page. Okay, cat minus help. Okay, what flag numbers all output lines? Okay, it's prompting that it will what is the flag that prints the numbers along with the lines? Okay, let me see. I also don't know what is a flag. Man cat. Okay, options, description, concatenate file to standard output. So these are the description and these are the options that we are seeing here. So scroll down till you find the relevant one. Okay, cat minus a show all equivalent to minus veet. Here minus small v is the flag used for verbose. So generally so many commands will have this option. So verbose is nothing but what is the operating system is doing with the thing will be displayed to our terminal. Okay, so many commands will have this type of functionality named as verbose. Okay, let me scroll. Okay, see here we got our flag minus n, number all output lines. Okay, let me type and check it. You can type minus n. So or here you can also type this command, either this flag, either 2 hyphens with n. So that is also correct. Okay, touch is a pretty simple command. It creates files. Give the command touch b.txt. b.txt would be created. Yes, So I need to say one important thing here. So I just have the subject called Unix programming in my present semester. So I am also learning Unix programming slowly. So what I got here is, so you can also create the files using VI text editor or stream oriented editor. So like that there are so many editors, text editors. So you should know what is the difference between creating the file using touch command and VI text editor command. So both are having the same functionality, but whereas if you use touch command for creating the file, then only the file will created, but it will not allocate the space. Remember this point, file will be created but there will be no space allocation to that file if you use touch command. Whereas if you use VI text editor command, then it will give the space and it will create the file also. So that is the difference between the touch and VI text editor command. So when we enter our data, when we created using touch, so if we created the file using touch, then the data we entered in that file will be stored in a temporary buffer or any hold space. So after turning off our computer, that data will be erased. So that is the difference between the touch and VI text editor. So let me see the comments. Okay, till now any doubts? If you have any doubts, please mention them in the chat box. So if you don't like the stream and seeing the live, please do like and subscribe to our channel. It will help me to do more videos and more lives like this. Okay, so that is how you are going to use that is the difference between touch and VI commands. Okay, here this is the basic file operations that you can see here. Okay, a binary is just executable code. Think a Windows exe file. Okay, just a binary file in Linux is nothing but an equivalent file to Windows exe file that runs on Windows. Okay, this seems like a good time to mention relative paths. Okay, these are the relative paths table. So you need to remember this. If you are using a dot, then it is a current directory. If you use double dots, means two dots, then it is the previous directory, directory before the current directory. If you use the similarity symbol, this is a similarity symbol. If you use this symbol, so that is the user's home directory. So you need to know this representation with dots and the special symbols. So these are known as meta characters in Unix programming. If any people know about Unix programming, then they will have the ideas of meta characters like that. So if you if you enter the command /hello, then it will execute the binary which is present in the current directory. If you use this command, it will run the hello binary before the current directory, and if you use this one, it will the similarity symbol, then it will run the binary from the current home's directory. So how would you run a binary called hello using a directory shortcut? Okay, dot shortcut. So ./hello, submit. Okay, correct answer. Okay, here is our second question. How would you run a binary called hello in your home directory using the shortcut? So if you are aware of these notations, then you can easily answer this command. Sorry, it went by mistake. I pressed the backspace button. Okay, I don't know why the putty or SSH binary both are not working in my computer. I will sort out the issue and I will do the live after I mean next weekend. See here, if you want to run the hello binary in your home directory, then you need to use similarity symbol / hello. So this is the thing that you need to enter this. Here you need to enter submit correct answer. How would you run a binary called hello in the previous directory using the shortcut /. Okay, / hello. So these are the commands. So here we need to enter into SSH. I mean we need to interact with that virtual machine using SSH or using putty. Both are not working. Okay, let me try whether it works now or not. Okay, Shiba1 @ our machine's IP address. Open. Still our virtual machine is not responding. I don't know why it's not responding. See here, it's not responding. The shell is not creating. I think there is a technical error from TryHackMe side. I don't know what is the error. So here you need to interact with the virtual machine's shell, and here you need to create some of the files, and here you need to do with that web shell. So up to now, this is in this live I am going to end this live. So I tried to solve up to this point. So if you want to try on your own, then you can try it on your computer. So thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe the channel if you like the content. So thanks for coming, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me now. It's the last we came the last ending time of our live. I'm going to end my stream. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will try to answer. Okay, let me play some background music. Okay, you will get bored otherwise. Okay, if you have any doubts, please mention them in the chat box, then we will I will try to sort out that. I think so many people not came to live when compared to our previous live. I don't know, because there is a notification problem. If you don't have any doubts, please type no. Then I will try to end my session. I will try to end my live stream. Please let me know whether you have any doubts or not. No, okay, Vishnu Sai, so Vishnu Sai said there is no doubts for me. Okay, so Revant, please speak on in the live chat. If you don't have any doubts, then I will try to end my live session. See here, there is a Discord server for our channel. If you want to contact me personally, then you can come to my Discord server and you can contact me personally. You can DM me personally. So the Discord link is in the bottom of the video, bottom of this live session. You can contact me using Discord. Okay, I will come. I will do live on next weekend. Hopefully there will be no errors when I am trying to do live. So okay, I will try to fix that putty and SSH error. SSH, I will connect with that shell and I will show you the problems and how to solve the problems in next coming weekend. Okay, thanks for coming. Have a great day. Happy learning.
Cause I don't care. 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 Cause I don't care.